In this video, I'm going to show you how to make lasagna that even picky eaters will love. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of lean ground beef, 9 lasagna noodles, 1 32-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce, a small white onion, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, a half a cup of water, 1 garlic clove, and 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. First thing we're going to do is chop the onion into small pieces. Next thing we're going to do is mince the garlic. And grate your cheese. Cook your lasagna noodles exactly how it's directed on the package. Place the beef in a skillet set to medium-high heat and add the pepper, the garlic, and the onions and cook until it's brown. Now add the spaghetti sauce, the water, and 1½ cups of the mozzarella cheese to the skillet and stir everything together. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray and place 3 lasagna noodles in the bottom. Top the noodles with about 1/3 of the meat mixture. Now spread it evenly over the noodles. And you're going to repeat that process 2 more times. Now top it all off with the remaining cheese. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.